wakes with the morning, laughing in his kitchen, sipping coffee with sunlight on her face. On quiet drive home at the edge of night, under the same stars, different place. You call me when the colors start fading. You say my name like it fits just right, but I'm really the echo on the edge of your breathing. I'm the shadow in your moonlight. If ever there was a world where sunrise could hold on to sunset, we'd meet in the middle of the day, not at the edges where we met. If ever there was a time we weren't caught in what we can't undo, I'd be the morning on your skin, you'd be the evening I fell into. It gets you at the start of your story, I just get the parts you never tell. You're the reason that he wakes up smiling, and I'm the secret that you wear too well. Where I may be painted over in silence, where a tear you won't let fall. You're the light that keeps my hands reaching, I'm the name in your missed calls. If ever there was a world where sunrise could hold on to sunset, we'd meet in the middle of the day, not at the edges where we met. If ever there was a time we weren't caught in what we can't undo, I'd be the morning on your skin, you'd be the evening I fell into. Somewhere between the first light and the last glow, there's a street where we don't have to lie, but here we only touch in the spaces between goodbye. If ever there